Police in Johnson County may soon be able to slap a fine on anyone who lets minors drink under their roof.
But the county is asking for people's opinions on the so-called social host ordinance before trying to make it law. Fox 28 News reporter Brittany Borghi tells us why the county is making the move right now. Brittany.
Scott and Sadie, Public Health Director Doug Beardsley tells me that even though Johnson County's underage drinking rates fall below the state averages, Johnson County was still identified as one of 23 counties in the state with some of the highest rates. Beardsley says that social host laws like this one have cut down on underage drinking in other states.
I would feel responsible for my kids, and they would be punished for it, and I would pay whatever I had to pay to compensate for it, because it's not right.
And the Board of Public Health is hoping more parents feel the same way because they're trying to crack down on teenage drinking. According to the Iowa Youth Survey, 14% of Johnson County 11th graders admit to binge drinking in the last 30 days. That's compared to 19% statewide.
We're better than the state average, but is that really acceptable? Is it acceptable that 25% of 11th graders drink on a regular basis?
Sheriff Lonnie Polkrabic agrees that it isn't acceptable, but raised the concern at a meeting Thursday night that law enforcement wouldn't be able to catch people in the act. Beardsley says this is more about setting a community standard.
If there's a place they've been back to 2 or 3 times, breaking up those parties, maybe this is now something that could help reduce that.
But for parents like Janice Wallace, who lost her son in a drunk driving accident, having a kid drink at home is better than them being out on the road.
If they want to drink, they're going to find a way to drink anyway, regardless. And having it in their home with the parents, as long as the parents are there, no, I don't think it should be enforced.
Now, in response to that, Beardsley said that he would challenge the notion that teens are just going to drink, and again, asked that the community set a higher standard. Covering the corridor in Coralville, Brittany Borghi.